Shan, lock the door for me please. Prince tell me to come over.
But how are you doing helmets after any ride?
Bitch, me might not ride bike. But something I get ride tonight.
So the extinguisher for?
What about the blood clot? You don't know nothing about Jamaican, man. You ever get a good fuck before you feel like you're on fire? Well, if you catch a fire, so you have to be cautious. Susan, I don't think about this for a while. I want to eat your ass. No! You're too blood clot hungry. Why are you so hungry? Why are you so hungry? Cereal and milk in the fridge. No, leave my bottom alone. No. You cannot eat it. No. Where everybody I worry about my blood clot here for? I put it up on my mannequin head. See it there. See it there for when me I go out, so. Prince, tell him to leave me alone. No, tell him no. Yo, no, my woman, no. I still have my man. I was sweet you. My friend. Okay. Okay, Prince. Okay. I'm not calling you back. No, hang up. Okay.
Take your time, that hold your tight. Oh, you feel my belly bottom cramp up. But me know if you fuck me, say that fuck your elbow. When you cock it up, you be coming in.
Prince.
You me love, you wipe on it.
Hey girl, you put on in your paradise. Hey girl, you put on in your paradise. Don't you know your ears, me I tell you something. Baby, me I go pump on your belly button. Hey girl, you put on in your paradise.
Bitch, which part to do it? Good body Shernets, my Utica Avenue between Church and Schneider. Go and check her out. You the pan blood clot timeout, you know. You're not here. You're deaf. You don't know what timeout mean. That mean you stay out. I'm a blood clot pussy. Out. I'm a blood clot life. Out. I'm a blood clot room, so lock my door behind you, please, and thanks. Who the blood clot this?
I'm a friend.
Well, you and your friend time just blood clot